it's Nee-Nee. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you guys, is going to be another hair install. This one is from Namoya hair. I did a install for them a couple weeks ago. The long, like 24-inch wavy hair. I'll link the thing up in the card so you can see that too. But y'all, Namoya got some of the best hair, period. Like this hair, first of all, the lace, like this is how it came. Like what the lace is perfect. The hair is so freaking soft. This hair, or their quality, is unmatched so far, you guys. So if you want to see how I'm going to install this wig, definitely keep on watching. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that bell so you'll be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and TikTok at PinupsAndPearls. And I think that's it, y'all. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, y'all, so this is a 10-inch bob from Namoya Hair Company. Like I said, it is a 13x4 frontal, and it's like actually like a real frontal. Like I could part this in many places, yeah, because I bought a frontal wig before and it had like lace here and like a closure piece. Baby, this is a real frontal. Namoya got it going on over there. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and pluck the front a little bit more, because even though it is already pre-plucked and it actually looks all right, it's just not far back enough for me. Like I can see like the line of demarcation or whatever, so I just want to make it blend a little bit more. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to come back and install it. Yeah, I'm not gonna bleach the knots because I do plan on coloring this wig later on. So when I do that, I'm going to bleach them then. I don't want to do it right now. Since I'm not bleaching the knots yet, I'm just gonna go ahead and tint my lace with my foundation too. And that'll just help it blend in some more. So I'm going to tighten up the straps in the back and go ahead and put the wig on. Alright, so I'm just making sure I got the wig where I want it to lay. Alright, so I'm just going to take the end of the comb and pull out the that first little row of hair for like the baby hairs. And on this side, I'm not even really worried about it because I'm gonna do a side part. So I'm going to take this edge booster wax stick and lay this on the edges right here, and I'm gonna take my hot comb and just press that back. Okay. I'm gonna spray the lace down. Where's my comb? What I do with my comb? Okay. Alright, and now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and like set it. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie down the lace with the elastic band. Alright, so while the lace is melting into my skins, I'm going to part out where I want my part. Alright, so now I'm going to take that edge booster wax stick again and use that to mold down the part. My comb. Let me make sure my part right though. Alright, so I'm just clipping the hair back because I'm getting ready to take off the elastic band and cut the little baby hairs or whatever. Actually, I need to cut the lace off first. Alright, so I'm just taking some of these little clips and clipping this baby hair back because I'm getting ready to cut off the extra lace. I probably should have did that first. I don't know. I told y'all I'm not a pro with this lace stuff, but I'm getting there. Alright, so boom. Move this one out the way because this is going to be in the front. Alright, so I'm going to take my shears and cut this into what's already laid down. I'm still going to cut it into 3 sections. Alright, so I'm gonna go back a little more. All right, so now I'm gonna take the eyebrow razor and just cut off the excess lace. Then I'm gonna go in and cut out the ear tabs. And I'm also gonna cut the baby hairs with the eyebrow razor. And then I'm gonna like attempt to do some baby hairs, these little swoops, whatever. Y'all, they just take so much time and effort. Like, look at me, looking crazy, dazed and confused. I got my concentration face on. Oh Lord. Then I just went ahead and straightened the hair with my Conair Infinity Pro flat iron. And here's the finished look of the wig. Alright y'all, so here is the finished install, and baby, oh my god, it is, oh my god, it's so bomb. Like, I'm working on my swoops, I'm trying to get them together. It took me forever, like literally, I'm not even gonna say how long. It took me a long periodically time to do this. It just takes so much. I don't know how y'all do it every day, but I'm working on it. I'm gonna get there one day soon. But y'all, I really love this wig. First of all, the hair quality, like, it's stiff well, okay? And the lace, it's just everything for me. This wig is fire. Okay, thank you to Namoya for sending this over for me to review, because I am in love with this wig. I love me a bob anyway. And then for this bob to be like this, I didn't even have to cut the bob. Girl, I didn't have to do nothing to the bob but put it on. Okay, put it on. The lace, like, I don't know, because I mean I got a lot of wigs, but I don't have like super crazy expensive wigs, so I don't know if this is like a really good wig, or if I'm just like, I don't know, good at installing it. I don't know, but this hair is freaking bomb, and I really like it. Like I said, thank you to Namoya for sending that over to review. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below about this wig. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at PinupsAndPearls, and TikTok at PinupsAndPearls, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.